Here we are again. Found some more runs. Guess you can see them. So, make them go away. Orange peel, get rid of that too. Now the rest of it I went over with 600 grit purple pad and water, and then it's ready for 1500. Have this mess cleaned up in about an hour total time. Buffed and ready. Now the bottom color we didn't paint, so the clear line just goes up to it. So as I'm sanding, we're barely even getting into that bottom color. That run just keeps on running, doesn't it? I'm kind of pushing hard right over top of it. My fingers. Watch it disappear. Still a little wet from the wet sanding. Here's our clear line, that's where I stopped. Just hard lined it. It's all buffed and shiny, you can't tell anyways. And that's just 320, or 220, sorry, 220 on a Johnny BLOX.